Hello and welcome to our video on Six Sigma. In this brief video, we will introduce Six Sigma, discuss industries where it has been beneficial, and also explain areas where it has been criticized. Humans have always been trying to increase productivity and efficiency, especially when it comes to businesses. In the age of information, a brief glance into the subject, you'll quickly realize that there are ideas abound regarding improving business practices and manufacturing processes. With so many philosophies coming from so many different sources, it is easy to be overwhelmed in a sea of those strategies. Six Sigma, however, stands out in an exceptional way. By the late 1900s, 2/3 of Fortune 500 companies had some form of Six Sigma initiatives within their businesses. So what is Six Sigma? At its most foundational level, Six Sigma is a set of strategies designed to increase a company's profits. It does this by employing practices to reduce the number of defective parts created during manufacturing. By using statistical measurements of success and failures, it is able to maintain an objective analysis of progress. Bill Smith is known as the father of Six Sigma. In the 1970s, Art Sundry's criticism of Motorola's poor quality prompted a study into manufacturing processes within the company. The study found that there was a connection between increases in quality and decreases in the cost of production. In 1993, Six Sigma became a trademark of Motorola. Six Sigma really took off when, in 1998, GE announced a savings of $350 million thanks to Six Sigma practices. This figure later grew to over $1 billion. Because of its objective statistical nature and its tendency to foster a business culture of constant improvement, Six Sigma has been adapted to a wide array of different business sectors. For example, an engineering and construction company conducted a case study and found that they were able to reduce both their time of construction and their waste generated by 26% and 67% respectively. Banking companies such as GE Capital and SunTrust have employed Six Sigma practices to improve the accuracy of their cash allocations and other critical banking services. Perhaps the most crucial industry of all when it comes to reducing error is healthcare, and this methodology decreased patient prep time from 45 minutes to 5 minutes in one case. These are just a few of the innumerable examples where Six Sigma has made a positive impact on a wide variety of businesses. When Six Sigma was first developed, its purpose was to identify and fix sources of defects within a manufacturing process. Throughout the years, it has been used in other industries as well as a means of reducing inefficiencies. The processes that use Six Sigma are given Sigma ratings which tell you how efficient that process is. For example, if your Sigma rating for a manufacturing process is 2 Sigma, there are about 300,000 defects for every million times the process is done. That's an efficiency that is very low and around 70%. The real goal is to get to a rating of 6 Sigma, which means you only have 3.4 defects for every million times the operation is ran. That's almost a perfectly efficient system, and it can save you a lot of money, time, and To achieve these results, Six Sigma employs a logical and methodical approach to problems. Oftentimes, Six Sigma is simply a series of projects which are efficiently solved using the strategy's guiding principles. These projects are followed by a constant stream of new projects which seek to find inefficiencies and continuously improve the system in question. Six Sigma has received its fair share of criticism. It has been accused of being unoriginal and just another name for quality improvement methods that already exist. Experts have said that it is nothing new and just adopts flamboyant terms to make it stand out, even though engineering certifications have long been around. They say these belts and certifications just give consulting firms the ability to claim expertise with no real knowledge of the specific industry that they are working with. There are other drawbacks as well, such as its inadequacy in dealing with complex manufacturing, over-reliance on statistical tools, and stifling of creativity through its rigid nature. These may or may not be valid points, but one thing is for sure, and that's that Six Sigma has, in a broad sense, improved business practices. In conclusion, Six Sigma is a methodology that was created by Motorola in order to increase their productivity and decrease the amount of defective parts they manufactured. It has been used by numerous companies as a way to improve their quality of work while saving time and money. It can make the company more efficient and better able to serve the customer's needs. Today, Six Sigma is making companies all over the world more and more efficient.